Guy. I want to talk about a topic today I thought you'd find very useful, especially for the real estate investor. Tax benefits are huge when it comes to the real estate investor's benefits. I started investing in real estate in my mid-20s, and some of the tax benefits have been incredible, so I wanted to pass them on to you. And we can remember the different tax deductions or tax benefits you get to take by using this mnemonic Timmur ID. That's T-I-M-M-U-R and then ID. And so let's see what Timmur ID stands for, and this will be a helpful way for you to remember the tax deductions, being able to decrease your taxes, more money in your pocket, more profit for you. And so let's go ahead and go through this. Number one is taxes, the taxes you pay, real estate taxes, property taxes, taxes you pay when you buy things to maintain the property. Taxes is the number one tax deduction. I stands for insurance, the insurance that you have to pay, the property insurance, fire insurance, and so on. That's another tax deduction for a real estate investor. Next is maintenance, fix up, repair. There are certain things that have to be deducted over a period of time, and some of the things you can deduct immediately as the expenditure arises. Next is management. If you pay a management company to manage the property for you, especially if you have multifamily property, that's another tax deduction. Next is utilities. Electricity, water, gas. You get to deduct your utilities if it's an expense as a real estate investor. Next is reserves. You may not have a renter for a month or two, and if you have a mortgage to pay, other expenses to pay, you want to keep a certain percentage aside so that you can cover those lulls in the profit, the lulls in the income. Make sure you set aside some reserves. Next is interest, the interest that you pay on a mortgage, for example. That's tax deductible. And finally, depreciation. Depreciation is a huge deduction. It's usually deducted over a period of time. Depreciation is the final tax deduction we'll talk about. So I hope that is helpful for you. Timmur ID, just remember this when you want to take tax deductions. It will almost always fit into one of these categories. And I hope this is helpful. Hope you find it useful, these real estate tax deductions. This is the Business Guy.